Welcome back to Politics Watch, and welcome back to Chaos. See, after hearing that up there in Senton, 6 people were taken out in one day, 3 fatally, right? And I thought to myself, well, that's probably going to be the headline of this week. Well, it seems that the 87s down there in Kingston Town decided that 6 in one place wasn't enough. So they decided to go 2 better. So now we heard that there were 8 people shot in Kingston Town. 4 of them fatally. So they've one-upped the people them down at Steer Town, not just in terms of the amount to get shot, but the amount to drop out. And then we're also hearing that one of the deceased is the cousin of none other than Olivia Babs Grange, right? So at least these people in Kingston Town know say something gonna come out of it, because a Babs Grange family, so you know something have to come out of it, right? The rest of people them down there in Steer Town and the majority of people in Jamaica don't have that comfort. Now people, what are we at now? December the 11th, right? Remember, we're not down into the deep Christmas time yet, you know. When I tell people December and Christmas in particular is going to be spooky, look down into the deep Decembers and now we're just in the 11th, right? And you see the foolishness wagwan, right? And this is fresh off the heels of the video I did on the Minister of Security. So the Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, was speaking on the radio about it. I'm assuming he's the MP for the area if he's talking about it. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. But he was saying that the actual incident, the specific incident happened in a place called Dover, right? And he's saying the residents are saying that the man them pull up on some bike, right? But the way they were shooting was actually quite random, as if they just wanted to inflict some damage on the community, because they pulled up on the bike and they actually went to 2 different shops and fired a bag of shot, right? So they must pull up on the people them, because you know corner shop of Jamaica always full of people, right? And just wait up the people them, move from one location down to the next and did the same thing again, right? Now the way how this mirrors Steer Town in Senton is crazy, because if people remember, in Steer Town a similar thing happened, right? The man them actually went to multiple locations in the same day or in the same short period of time, right? Because they pull up on one end, right, take out some people, and then they move on to the rest and take out some others. That shows you how comfortable these 87s are, right? The man them, like one time in the people, when the 87 squeeze off 2 rounds, by the time him done fire off the second round, him already turned Usain Bolt and gone in a bush and hide for 6 weeks, you know. That's how badness used to work in Jamaica, you know. When man do anything like this, you know, see him again, he hiding gone, him all running on a small island. But they're now so comfortable that the man them a mash multiple works in one setting, in one go. Then pull up on a spot, right, wait up some people. Alright guys, we can move on to the next location. That's how 87s are in Jamaica now. The man them start treat badness like DHL. The man them start treat badness like FedEx. You ever see or Amazon. You know Amazon does drop off a package, alright, pull up to this house, drop off one package. Alright, jump back in my vehicle, go into this house, drop off another package. That's how 87s are in Jamaica now. They're so comfortable. The man them a pull up to multiple places in one go. And this is supposed to be a country that is supposedly locked down, right? How much place under SOEs, right? Kingston Town and Dover is in St. Catherine. St. Catherine is under SOE. But of course, we know that don't mean nothing to these man, right? Because they're so comfortable. And their actions prove it. So, 6 people at Steer Town, 8 people at Kingston Town, that's 14, right? So 4 drop out at Kingston Town and 3 drop out at Senton, that's 7. This is not even including when Mobile get at again, you know. This is not including when Spanish Town really get at again, you know. You notice the little place them where we hear a flare up now? right? Kitson Town, you know, people. Dover in a Kitson Town, you know. If you don't know Kitson Town is like a little rural area, you know. But the Poppy Show not done yet, people. You want to hear the real Poppy Show? Especially, let me tell you what went down in Steertown, people, in Senton. The man them go for, so them come for a set of people, right? But after they mashed the first works, they then moved on to a beach, right? Next to a hotel in Miami Bay. A beach, people, yes. Remember I said, places where you might get licked down in Jamaica, you might be surprised because we hear some man a drop out in a doctor office, man a get licked down in a church. No man all a drop out on beach, you know, people. Anyway, the man them go up on a beach, right, and take two youth them and get rid of them execution style, right, round to the head, left them on the beach. When the man them a try to get to people, them end up crash, right. For some reason, it seems like lately every time people mash church a center and them end up crash. Well, these two, or these group of men, after them crash, the man then come out of the vehicle and escape on foot. People, something can go so. That what I'm trying to show you is the amount of time they have. How comfortable they are. If them can carry out one work, move on to a second location, get rid of some more people, crash, come out of them vehicle and escape on foot. That shows you the response time to these incidents. That's a long period of time, you know, people. The man them get so comfortable that even when they crash and them think, Lord have mercy, see that we gone now. See that we're gonna end up like the two man them couple weeks ago with the mobile youth them. Jesus, Lord have mercy, we dead. When the man them look, no police inside, no security forces inside. The man them escape on foot. Right? So it just goes to show you that the madness is going to continue. Right? And down there in a place called Lewis District, right? In the same parish, guess how much people? Guess how much people get shot down there? 4. So 4 people in Lewis District, right? We're gonna do maths now, people. 4 in Lewis District, 6 in a Steertown, 8 in a Kitson Town. We're gonna start add up. Soon, to record these videos, I'm going to start to need a calculator. I'm going to start to need some kind of algebra classes and calculus because that's how serious things are getting. The days when 1 and 2 man will drop out are no more. The man might go for some NBA numbers this Christmas. And listen, here's the funny thing. Senton, make a look on Senton, because the fact that this happened in Kitson Town and Senton, 2 places, especially Senton, because we know the whole tourist thing, right? But let's look at Senton, people. Since 2018, there has been a 6.7 increase in murders in Senton. 6.7. Again, this is during one of the tightest police and security forces lockdown we've seen in history, right? But it has increased. So, and the year not done yet. The year is not over. People, remember, this is only December the 11th. We don't reach Christmas season yet. Remember, say enough man a aisle up and a polish up them piece. No. Right? Enough man a get ready, enough man a stretch. Enough man a exercise and a get ready for the crazy season. Down in the December. Them man then start work it, people. This is the early bird them are working on. You know, like when you have a party and you have the people who pull up well early and just start bounce and enjoy themselves and the crowd not come yet. The crowd not reach yet. I want the people of Jamaica to realize that. The crowd is not here. The madness has not fully started. This is just the beginning. So when them tell us, oh, this Christmas we're going to take all the extra steps and we have all these big security tactics that's going to be employed this December, wait there. Who remember that video I did? When time them come out and say, oh, we have big plans coming up this December and we're going to lock down the place. What go on now? From December the 1st to 11, what have we seen? You see any lockdown go on? People, I'm telling you, be careful this December, right? All of my subscribers them, viewers them, whether they're yard or abroad, just be careful this December. Don't think, especially if you're there abroad, don't think say because you're there foreign all is well. Christmas is spooky season right round, especially in America. Right? I don't want my subscribers in America to get too comfortable either, because you don't know them place they can go on. Right? But people in Jamaica, just watching yourself. Please, nobody man a politician make you feel comfortable about how we lock down place and we have most troops on the ground and we're going to make sure that's a Nancy story. Right? We don't believe you. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.